A seismic shift is underway in the global automotive industry, one that is transforming not just how cars are made, but who makes them and where the future of mobility is being shaped. The world is witnessing a dramatic realignment of power as new players challenge the dominance of established giants. At the heart of this revolution is Shenzhen, China, a city once known for its manufacturing prowess, now emerging as a global epicenter for innovation and technology in the automotive sector. For decades, the car world was ruled by Japan, Germany, and the US. These countries set the standards, dictated trends, and dominated the roads with their iconic brands and engineering excellence. Now, a new contender has entered the arena. BYD, short for Build Your Dreams, is rewriting the rules of the game, and doing so at a breathtaking pace. Once a humble battery maker, BYD has rapidly evolved into an electric vehicle powerhouse. It has managed to outpace legacy automakers, many of whom are still grappling with the complexities of the EV transition, and has done so by leveraging its expertise in batteries and electronics. In 2022, BYD made a bold move. It stopped making pure combustion cars altogether, signaling its unwavering commitment to an all-electric future. This decision sent shockwaves through the industry, marking a clear break from the past. With affordable tech-packed EVs, BYD is not just competing, it's leading in many markets. Its vehicles are reshaping consumer expectations, making electric mobility accessible to millions and forcing competitors to rethink their strategies. The company's true strength lies in its ruthlessly efficient business model, built on deep technological expertise and total control of its manufacturing process, from batteries to final assembly. This vertical integration gives BYD a unique edge in cost, quality, and speed. The question now is, how did BYD rise so quickly? And can its bold strategy permanently alter the future of the electric vehicle industry? The world is watching as a new power takes the wheel. BYD's real engine is its business model, a system built on relentless innovation, supply chain mastery, and cost control. Founder Wang Chuanfu claims China's EV industry is years ahead, and BYD is the proof. BYD slashes development time, launching new models at a pace traditional automakers can't match. Its secret weapon, vertical integration. BYD makes nearly every part in-house, from batteries to chips. This control means faster innovation, higher quality, and crucially lower costs. The result? BYD delivers advanced EVs ordinary people can actually afford, like the sub-dollar 10000 Seagull. This blueprint is shaking the foundations of the global auto industry. BYD's vertical integration is its superpower, a strategy that sets it apart from nearly every other automaker in the world. Instead of relying on a web of outside suppliers, BYD has built a self-sufficient ecosystem, controlling almost every step of the manufacturing process under one roof. This approach isn't just about efficiency. It's about total control, agility, and resilience. BYD makes almost every component itself, from electric motors to circuit boards, batteries, and even semiconductors. This level of in-house production is rare in the auto industry, where most companies outsource key parts to specialized suppliers. Take the BYD Dolphin, for example. Nearly everything but the tires and windows is made in-house. This means BYD can tweak designs, improve quality, and ramp up production without waiting for external partners. By cutting out the middlemen, BYD eliminates supplier markups and gains direct control over costs. This lets the company either slash prices for customers or boost its own profit margins, sometimes both at once. Vertical integration also shields BYD from the kind of supply chain shocks that crippled rivals during the global chip shortage. While others waited months for parts, BYD kept its lines running thanks to its in-house chip production. In-house innovation is dramatically faster. BYD's engineers can prototype new ideas, test them, and move to production without supplier delays or miscommunications. This speed gives BYD a huge edge in bringing new technology to market. The Blade battery, a safer, cheaper, and more efficient power source, is a direct result of this synergy between BYD's engineering and manufacturing teams. It's a breakthrough that competitors struggle to replicate. Thanks to its unique cost structure, BYD can undercut competitors by thousands of dollars per car while still turning a healthy profit. This pricing power is a game changer in the fiercely competitive EV market. This isn't just a temporary edge, it's a deep structural advantage that rivals can't easily match. BYD's vertical integration is a fortress, protecting its business and fueling its rapid global rise. BYD's growth is staggering. Over 4.27 million new energy vehicles sold in 2024, up 41% from the year before. Revenue hit $107 billion, fueling global expansion and relentless innovation. Overseas sales are surging, with a target to double exports to 800,000 in 2025. BYD is building factories worldwide: Brazil, Hungary, Turkey, Indonesia, and more, to sidestep tariffs and serve local markets. While rivals struggle with EV transitions and shrinking profits, BYD's scale and cost advantage are unmatched. Its rapid expansion is leaving legacy automakers scrambling to keep up. The numbers tell the story. BYD is outpacing the industry at every turn. BYD's global push faces obstacles, especially tariffs in Europe and North America. The EU's 17% tariff on Chinese EVs aims to protect local brands, but BYD's cost advantage remains formidable. CEO Wang Chuanfu shrugs off protectionism, betting that great products at great prices will win. BYD's answer: build factories abroad, like in Hungary and Brazil, to dodge tariffs and embed itself in local economies. Even with tariffs, BYD's cars often remain cheaper than rivals. Its vertical integration lets it absorb costs and stay competitive. BYD is playing the long game, building a global presence designed to weather any political storm. BYD's meteoric rise is shaking up the global auto industry, challenging not only the established giants of the past, but also the ambitious new tech leaders of today. Once seen as a regional player, BYD has rapidly transformed into a force that's impossible to ignore, rewriting the rules of the automotive game and forcing everyone to rethink their strategies. Take Toyota, for example. Still the world's top automaker by total sales, Toyota has long been respected for its reliability and manufacturing prowess. But when it comes to electric vehicles, Toyota is lagging behind. While Toyota continues to focus on hybrids and hesitates to fully embrace EVs, BYD is surging ahead, setting its sights on overtaking Toyota not just in sales, but also in profitability and innovation. BYD's approach is radically different. The company thrives on rapid innovation, vertical integration, and total control over its supply chain, from batteries to chips to final assembly. This allows BYD to move faster, cut costs, and bring new models to market at a pace that leaves traditional automakers scrambling to keep up. In contrast, Toyota's slow, methodical focus on hybrids now looks increasingly outdated in a world racing toward full electrification. But it's not just the old guard feeling the heat. Tesla, once the undisputed king of electric vehicles, now faces fierce competition from BYD. The landscape is shifting and Tesla's dominance is no longer guaranteed. In fact, BYD has already overtaken Tesla in electric vehicle production in several quarters, signaling a new era in the EV race. This isn't just a numbers game. BYD's ability to scale up production so quickly is a testament to its manufacturing expertise and relentless drive. Tesla's brand remains incredibly strong, with a loyal following and a reputation for cutting-edge technology. However, it's now under real pressure from BYD's aggressive pricing strategies and massive production scale. BYD's ability to offer high-quality EVs at lower prices is forcing Tesla and others to rethink their own pricing and market approach. The price war that BYD ignited in China is now spreading across the globe. As BYD expands internationally, it's forcing rivals to slash prices, squeezing profit margins, and putting immense pressure on weaker brands. This global price battle is reshaping the industry, making survival tougher for those who can't keep up. Industry analysts predict that only a handful of electric vehicle brands will survive the coming shakeout. The competition is fierce, and only the strongest, most innovative companies will make it through this period of rapid change and consolidation. With its unmatched scale, technological edge, and cost advantages, BYD has become a true titan in the automotive world, a formidable competitor that both the old guard and new challengers must reckon with as the future of mobility unfolds. Just as battery EVs dominate, hydrogen combustion engines are making noise as a possible disruptor. Unlike fuel cells, these engines burn hydrogen in modified pistons, championed by companies like Rolls-Royce Power Systems. Advocates tout hydrogen's energy security and storage benefits, but costs and infrastructure hurdles are massive. Producing green hydrogen is expensive, and building a global refueling network would cost trillions. For now, hydrogen is a distant threat, especially for consumer cars. BYD remains focused on battery EVs, but the hydrogen question is a reminder. Disruption is always on the horizon. At BYD's helm is Wang Chuanfu, a chemist, engineer and visionary. His deep technical knowledge shapes BYD's strategy, lead a tech revolution, not just sell cars. Wang believes China's EV lead is permanent, and BYD's model will make legacy automakers obsolete. His ambition makes BYD a global powerhouse, with most profits from outside China. BYD is investing in local factories and tailoring products for each market, building trust and resilience. Wang's long-term vision dominates the global EV market by controlling technology, slashing costs and expanding relentlessly. His leadership is transforming BYD into an industry-shaping force. In 2025, BYD's impact on the auto world is undeniable. Its integrated model, rapid innovation and aggressive pricing have changed the game. Rivals must now match BYD's speed and cost, or risk falling behind. BYD's global expansion and ability to weather tariffs show its staying power. The battle with Toyota and Tesla is real, and the industry is consolidating fast. BYD has proven EVs can be advanced and affordable, setting a new global benchmark. The future of mobility is being built by BYD, and the world is taking notice.